CoreWeave, ticker CRWV, the billionaire co-founders and top executives have aggressively unloaded more than $2.3 billion worth of their own shares since the company's March 2025 initial public offering. The massive sell-off has prompted sharp criticism from legendary short seller Jim Chanos, who publicly labeled the aggressive liquidation, quote, normal behavior, raising urgent questions for retail investors about AI infrastructure's giant long-term outlook. The liquidation caught the attention of veteran short seller Jim Chanos, who voiced heavy skepticism on X. He pointed out that it wasn't just the founders walking away. Magnetar Financial, LLC, a key institutional backer, also cut its holdings in half. When market commentator Rittenhouse Research defended the sales as routine profit-taking, Chanos shot back directly. And it's from the tweet here, quote, "Come on, RR. We both know that C-Suite selling a quarter of their stake while the main sponsor sells half only a year after going public is well above normal behavior. This is a lot of insider sales," end quote. CoreWeave's stock price has more than doubled since its IPO, which was listed at $40 per share on March 28th, 2025, and closed on Tuesday around $99 per share. However, according to recent SEC filings, as the company's lockup period expired, its highest-ranking insiders used 10b5-1 trading plans to cash out. Sound familiar, Tim? I think we talked about this last night, didn't we? Chief Strategy Officer Brian Venturo led the charge, selling over $1.1 billion in stock. Other key co-founders, including Michael Intrater and Brannon McBee, were behind the bulk of the remaining sales. In the last 30 days, Benzinga data shows that insiders dumped 3.03 million shares, totaling $382.41 million, with absolutely zero insider purchases recorded. Defenders argue that the executives still hold sizable stakes. Intrater remains the largest shareholder with a 10.4% stake, and that is it's reasonable to, quote, take some chips off the table, end quote, given that their net worths are tied up in the stock. Nevertheless, the insider ownership now sitting at just 0.99%. The aggressive cash out levels leave Wall Street deeply divided on whether or not CoreWeave has peaked. So you folks are going to have to let me know. Do you think CoreWeave has peaked? Are there other AI stocks that you would rather own than CoreWeave? Let me know what you think about that.